to open with my math sheet, Mr. Eddie?
Yeah, of course, Jabari. That's what I'm here for. Now, I know math can be tricky, but I'm really proud of you for sticking with it.
I like your cup. It has cool colors.
Yeah? Then you might like this pencil.
Thanks, Mr. Eddie.
Hey, Jabari.
Mom, look at Mr. Eddie gave me.
Wow, this is nice. Did you say thank you?
He did. He's really great with that.
Yes, he just loves being in your class, and he just loves you.
Oh.
You know, and I'm really appreciative because between you and I, his daddy is a little, you know. Let's just say I'm happy that he has you as a role model.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Look, it's nice to hear that I'm making a positive impact. And I used to underestimate it, but connecting with the students is the best part of the job. We're going to short A sounds like hat, band, tab.
Dad!
Yeah, that's one, two. Oh, yeah, got it. Hey,
You Gregory Ed?
yeah.
I'm Darnell, Jabari's dad.
Nice to meet you, Darnell.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. I heard you gave my son a pencil.
Yeah, it was one of the ones I had just lying around, and he really liked the colors. So.
Cool, yeah, no, his mom says he likes you a lot. And y'all like to chit-chat all day.
Yeah, I mean, it's more teaching than anything, but...
Just heard you were giving out pencils and whatnot. I didn't really understand what was going on. Just trying to make sense of the situation.
Mm-hmm. Look, maybe we should start over. Maybe have a conversation with Jabari's night.
Oh, no. You don't get to decide what my son can see. He can handle a little tough talk. He's seen worse. We watch Power together all the time.
Okay. Well, he shouldn't be watching that.
I'm sorry, you saying I'm not a good dad?
No. Look, I hear you, okay? What can I do to fix this?
Cut the chit-chat. Don't give the boy no pencils. Period.
Got it.
Okay, let's go. We out.
Guess I give him pins.
I'm sorry, you mumbled something, player?
No?
No, you definitely said something to that camera over there. See, you think you Deadpool.
Look, I don't really know what's going on, okay? See, we just met for the first time.
So now I'm a deadbeat.
No,
Now I'm a deadbeat?
I'm not saying that at all.
I think what we need is a little parent-teacher night.
Great, let me just real quick check my schedule.
Parent-teacher fight night.
What?
I'm gonna kick your ass. Today, I gotta get a haircut. But tomorrow, 3 p.m., outside, me and you. Bring the heat, and don't bring no pencils. Let's go, Jabari. We out.
Jabari. Hey, Lisa, can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah. Go to see, baby.
All right. Hey, so I met Jabari's father yesterday. He seems to have something against me. I was wondering if either you or Jabari mentioned me around him.
Around Darnell?
Yeah.
Please, Mr. Eddie, we barely even talk. Except I was telling him how kind and understanding you are with Jabari and how much Jabari loves and respects you. As a matter of fact, I did mention how much of a good role model you are for Jabari and how much you'd be a really good role model for Darnell too. And then I called him a scrub and Jabari was like, true.
Now the threats make a little bit more sense. Yeah.
Oh my God, did he threaten to fight you? That is classic Darnell. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. He's always trying to start stuff.
No need to apologize. I'm just relieved to know he's not actually planning to fight me.
Oh, no. He gonna fight you. That's what he gonna do. He's always trying to start stuff successfully. So he gonna hit you with a couple body blows, then he'll be good. You don't wanna guard the back of your head. All right, Jabari, I love you, baby. Be good.
Wow. Good morning. Welcome, Jabari.
Go to your seat, baby. You know, I heard you defuse Darnell. That couldn't have been easy. You know, Jabari's last teacher swung on him.
What are the changing clothes?
Oh, Barbara?
Yep, yeah. But don't worry. He doesn't know what happened.
Good.
These kids are really lucky to have you. Bye, Mr. Eddie. Bye, baby.
Bye.
Be good.
Okay. I used the pencil to do my math homework.
Oh, yeah? Let's take a look at it. Okay, yeah, number 3 is wrong. It's okay. So pencils have erasers.
Okay, I'll try again.
Okay. Connecting with your students is still the best part of the job.
But
Seven-John Singleton as
Good.
Jabari.
Good.